Hi, this is some extra advice for doing the cat dog Photoshop. Um, so, if you are using Photopea, then here's some advice. So, the first thing that you want to find is a background. Just like when you make an actual collage out of paper, you can't just cut the other stuff out and have nowhere to put it. So, it's really good to start with a background first. So, you want to find a background. So here I found some lava. And one thing that you can do too in Google is you can go into settings, or is it tools? It's tools, sorry about that, and go to size and find large, because you want a large background so that everything else you put on it can fit. So let's find maybe like this picture, and I'm going to right click and copy, go back into Photopea and say new project and say create. And then you want to go to edit paste. Oh, Control V. There we go. If edit paste doesn't work, then try Control V. All right. So now, for getting your other pictures, you do actually want to make them in new tabs. So let's get a picture of a dog. So here I'm getting a picture of this dog, and I will right click and say copy image, go over here. And I don't want to paste it directly into here. I want to, again, go to, file new, press create, and then Control V or edit paste. So now I have these two pictures. So I have the lava and I have the dog. Now I can use tools to cut the dog out, like the magnetic lasso tool. I'm going to do this very quickly, so it's actually going to be probably terrible. Because I don't want you to have to wait too long watching this video. I'm going to go around. Oops. He lost his legs. Poor guy. Let's go back kind of to the beginning. He's probably going to lose his tail, and double click. Now I can copy and paste that into the lava picture. So I can go to edit, copy, and edit paste, but I just prefer using Control C for copy, and go over here to the lava picture and Control V for paste. Wow, I really missed a lot of that dog. But again, I was trying to do it quickly so it wouldn't take so long. And at this point, I can use those transform tools, Control T or Edit Transform, to get it to the right size and orientation. Now, there is the trick that I mentioned in my other video about when something has a plain background. So let's say that I had a picture, say, of a hat, like this hat here. And again, I'm going to copy this, go into Photopea, and again, I have to do File New, and press Create. Maybe I'll call this one Hat so we can tell it apart. And then Edit Paste or Control V. And so now I have this by itself on its own tab. And to use the magic wand to do the Select Inverse tool, the way that it works is that we are going to, hold on, I need the magic wand. I'm going to select the white background, and then I don't actually want the white background. What I want is the hat. So now I would go to Select and Inverse, and now it will select the opposite of what I had before, or it should. So Control C, let's go back to the lava picture, Control V, and it's just the hat. So again, for the magic wand, instead of selecting the actual object, if it's on a plain background, you can select the background and then go to select inverse. And then that just means the opposite. So instead of the background being selected, the actual object will be selected. So I hope this answers your questions. If you need any more help, just please do not hesitate to ask. Thanks.